Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to present our research titles and the integration of large language models in computer programming education and enhancing students' mastery of knowledge. In the next 8 minutes, I will briefly introduce the background, statistical framework, and the methodologies of our study, and then share some perspective on the two core research questions. Um, one point is background. Yeah. Artificial intelligence, or called it AI, is changing many areas of education. In programming education, large language models like ChatGPT-4 or GitHub Copilot can give students quick feedback, explain code in simple words, and even create practice problems. And the 2 point is theoretical framework. We use the two main series in our study. And the first series is construct with learning theory. And this says students learn better with support and interaction. LLM can provide this support step by step. And the two series is T-PAC framework. Just look at how technology teaching and then content knowledge work together. It helps us understand how AI fits into programming classes. And the next part is talk about uh, math. We use systematic literature review. This means we carefully search for the analyze past studies on this topic. We searched in three databases, and the first database is Scopus, and the two is the Web of Science, and three is ERIC. We use search terms like large language model, ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and programming educations, coding skills, and the learning efficiency. We looked at the papers published between the 2021 and 2025. At first, we find 4,568 papers. After removing duplicate and filtering by our criteria, only a small number of studies were include for final exercise. Traditional methods such as literature and the textbook are useful but sometimes slow. Students often um, often face problems like debug errors or understanding abstract concepts. LLM can act like the virtual tutors and make the learning process faster and more interactive. The next part is the research question. Yeah, that's the first research section. It's a learning exercise. And we talk about the learning exercise. The first question is, do LLM improve learning efficiency compared to traditional methods? And the answer is yes. To the large extent, students show that MLM helps students finish tasks faster, especially in debugging. They also reduce stress and increase motivation. Sorry. But there is also a problem if students depend too much on AI. They may not fully understand the concept. So we need to balance spend while real learning. Future research should explore hybrid models, where LLMs give support, but students still think the self problems on their own. Our second question is how can AI tools help students improve coding skills? Researching showed that AI tools are useful in explaining code, helping with debug and generation productive problems, beginning begins get clear step-by-step guidance. Well advanced students see AI to optimize and test different solution. Solution. However, there are challenges. Some students may copy AI code without really learning. There are also concerns about the academic honest. Future work should study how to use AI tools in way that improve real skills, not just short-term performance. Thanks.